Just a quick update. The coil lead is just basically bent around. It's completely come out at the other end. The connector still inside the dizzy coil. These are all pretty well original, I'd say, especially the connectors. But surprisingly, the rotor is in reasonably good nick. Could do with the cleanup on a piece of sandpaper. The contacts seem pretty good. It's a bit of residue inside the cap and inside the dizzy itself. So I'm thinking that maybe there's been a bit of blowback or excessive use in its life. I'll probably just replace all this. It's all pretty well perished. I'm not going to keep going through doing one thing at a time. I'll just replace the whole lot. So that's it. Okay, so more trophies for the listing case, or the historic case that we're going to be building. All the bits and pieces. Might even auction a few off. All right, here we go. Project Bedford. Not as bad as I thought.